Good morning, students. Welcome to your English online lecture. Myself, Miss Pooja. I am going to teach you the subject English of Standard 2nd. So, students, are you all ready for learning your subject English of Standard 2nd? So, students, in our today's online lecture, we are going to study a new poem. So, for learning the new poem, open your English Bal Bharati textbook. Also, carry a pencil in your hand for writing the important meanings in your textbook. So, students, open your English Bal Bharati textbook and carry a pencil for referring today's online lecture. So, students, are you all ready with your English Bal Bharati textbook of Standard 2nd? So, this is your textbook and we are going to learn a new poem from Unit 2. Let us see the name of the poem. So, students, let us see the name of the poem. In Unit 2, we are going to study 2.6 Friends Forever. Our poem's name is Friends Forever. So, students, open your page number 26 of your English Bal Bharati textbook. Our poem is Friends Forever. Students, before studying the poem, let me explain you the name of the poem, the meaning of the poem 2.6 Friends Forever. Friends. So, students, all of you might be having the friends. Yes or no? Yes. Now, I hope so. You are missing all your school friends. Am I right, students? Yes. Why? Because now you are at your home. So, you are missing your school friends. So, everyone have friends. Some are the other place. Might be you all might having your friends at school, some friends at your near neighbor at your home where you stay, some at your tuition classes, some at your schools, some at your native place. So everyone are having friends. Now what is the meaning of forever? Forever means always. Friends forever means friends till the future. Friends forever. Forever means always. बच्चों, हमारी पोएम का नाम है 2.6 फ्रेंड्स फॉरएवर. फ्रेंड्स यानी मित्र, दोस्त. तो हम दोस्त जिसे कहते हैं फ्रेंड्स, मित्र, दोस्त. फॉरएवर मतलब हमेशा, हमारे जीवन तक साथ देने वाले फ्रेंड्स. तो हमारे कविता का नाम है 2.6 Friends Forever. Our poem's name is Friends Forever. You can see in the picture that how the friends are enjoying and playing. So let us start with our poem on page number 26. This is a beautiful poem, Friends Forever. Let us study and learn the poem. So, students, have you all opened your page number 26? Those students who are having the textbook, students, open your page number 2626. And those students who are not having the textbook, pay attention in the video which is flashing in your mobile screen. 2.6 Friends Forever. Friends. We all have friends. Yes or no, students? Friends. बच्चों, फ्रेंड्स का मतलब होते हैं मित्र, दोस्त, और हम सभी के पास फ्रेंड्स है। यस और नो? यस। और मैं ये भी जानती हूँ कि आप आपके स्कूल फ्रेंड्स को बहुत ही मिस कर रहे हो, क्योंकि ये साल आपका स्कूल नहीं है और आप ऑनलाइन लेक्चर पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, तो आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को मिस कर रहे हो। यस और नो स्टूडेंट्स? यस। तो आज के हम इस पोएम में फ्रेंड्स फॉरएवर, फॉरएवर मतलब हमेशा, फ्रेंड्स हमेशा के लिए, ये हमारा पोएम का नाम है। फ्रेंड्स फॉरएवर मतलब फ्यूचर तक हमेशा हमारे साथ रहेंगे, फ्रेंड्स फॉरएवर। तो इस पोएम में हम फ्रेंड्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और बहुत ही सुंदर और अच्छी पोएम है। So students, we are going to learn this poem. The poem is very beautiful about friends, and I hope everyone will enjoy and they will miss their friends while learning this poem. So students, pay attention. I am going to explain you in both the English as well as Hindi language. The poem. Listen, sing and act. The first paragraph. It is a very short poem, students. There are 3 paragraphs in the poem, and each paragraph is having 4 sentences, 4 lines. So we are going to learn word to word the meaning of the poem. So pay attention in your textbook. Let us start. Make new friends, but keep the old. Now students, in the first stanza it is written, make new friends, but keep the old. बच्चों, इसमें लिखा है कि मेक न्यू फ्रेंड्स, नए फ्रेंड्स बनाओ, लेकिन अपने पुराने दोस्तों को भी भूलो मत। बट कीप द ओल्ड मतलब उनको भी साथ में रखो। सो स्टूडेंट्स, द स्टैंजा, इन द फर्स्ट स्टैंजा इट इज रिटन, मेक न्यू फ्रेंड्स बट कीप द ओल्ड. स्टूडेंट्स, मेक न्यू फ्रेंड्स. इट इज गुड दैट यू मेक न्यू फ्रेंड्स बट कीप द ओल्ड. डोंट फॉरगेट योर ओल्ड फ्रेंड्स. बच्चों, इसका मतलब है नए फ्रेंड्स बनाओ, अच्छी बात है, लेकिन अपने पुराने फ्रेंड्स को भूलो मत, उन्हें हमेशा याद रखो. द थर्ड सेंटेंस इज, one is silver and the other gold. Now it is been described that make new friends but keep the old. नए फ्रेंड्स बनाओ लेकिन पुराने को मत भूलो. अब थर्ड लाइन में लिखा है one is silver and the other gold. एक है सिल्वर यानी एक फ्रेंड्स, न्यू फ्रेंड्स है जो है सिल्वर यानी चांदी की तरह, और एंड द अदर गोल्ड जो हमारे पुराने फ्रेंड्स है वो कैसे है, सोने की तरह है, गोल्ड की तरह. तो ये पैराग्राफ में लिखा है नए फ्रेंड्स बनाओ लेकिन पुराने फ्रेंड्स को भूलो मत. एक है चांदी और दूसरा है सोना. तो फ्रेंड्स को इतना इम्पोर्टेंस दिया है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ ब्यूटिफुली it is written that make new friends but keep the old. Make new friends, it is very good that you make new friends but keep the old. But keep the old friend. One is silver, one friend is silver and the other gold, and the other friend is gold. Understood students? They have been imagining and they have been comparing the friendship. The new friends they are comparing with silver, and the old friends, it is being compared in the poem, they are compared to gold. तो बच्चों, इसमें कंपेयर किया है फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में। नए फ्रेंड्स की तुलना सिल्वर यानी चांदी की तरह की है और जो पुराने फ्रेंड्स हैं उनकी तुलना गोल्ड की तरह यानी सोने की तरह की है। सो रिपीट द 4 लाइन्स। मेक न्यू फ्रेंड्स बट कीप द ओल्ड। One is silver and the other gold. Now let us see the second stanza, second paragraph of the poem. So students, have you understood the first paragraph from the poem? Now let us look at the second paragraph from the poem. A circle is round. Now how is the shape of the circle, students? The circle is round in shape. A circle is round. बच्चों, सर्कल कैसा होता है? गोल होता है. It has no end. सर्कल का कोई आखिरी किनारा होता है? नहीं. It has no end. यानी सर्कल राउंड होता है. सर्कल को बताया है कि एकदम गोल होता है और उसका कोई अंत नहीं होता, यानी कि वो गोल और राउंड होता है, उसका कोई किनारा नहीं है. अ सर्कल इज राउंड, इट हैज़ नो एंड. दैट्स हाउ लॉन्ग आई विल बी योर फ्रेंड. और वही चीज़ बताइए कि उसी प्रकार मैं तुम्हारी फ्रेंड रहूँगी. जिस तरीके से सर्कल राउंड है और उसका कोई किनारा नहीं है, उसका कोई अंत नहीं है, उसी तरीके से मैं भी उतने ही समय तक, आखिरी तक तुम्हारी फ्रेंड रहूँगी जिसका कोई एंड नहीं है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ ब्यूटिफुली इन द सेकेंड पैराग्राफ इट इज रिटन. अ सर्कल इज राउंड. दे आर टेलिंग इन द पोएम, they are describing the circle is round in shape and it has no end, and that's how long I will be your friend. It is said, it is compared that a circle is round, it has no end, and it is compared to the friendship, that's how long I will be your friend, means till the end I will be your friend. Are you all getting, students? तो ये राउंड की तरह कंपेयर किया है. सर्कल जिस प्रकार से राउंड होता है उसी तरीके से हमारी फ्रेंडशिप भी बहुत आखिरी तक चलेगी और इसका कोई अंत नहीं है और मैं तुम्हारी फ्रेंड रहूँगी. इस पोएम में लिखा है सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में. नाउ थर्ड पैराग्राफ. अक्रॉस द लैंड. अक्रॉस द सी. लैंड यानी ज़मीन के उस पार, सी यानी समुंदर के उस पार. फ्रेंड्स फॉर एवर वी विल ऑलवेज बी. हम फ्रेंड्स हमेशा हरदम रहेंगे. वी विल ऑलवेज बी. सो इन द लास्ट पैराग्राफ इट इज़ कंपेयर्ड द फ्रेंडशिप टू द लैंड. अक्रॉस द लैंड मीन्स, across the land means that part of the land wherever you go. If you cross the land, if you stay far from me, if you cross the land when you go to some other place far away out of the country, across the sea, it means if you go far away from me, then also I will be your friend. So students, have you all understood? Across the land means if I go far away, if I change my country or state, if I be far away from you, across the land, across the sea, then also our friendship, friends forever, will always be. It means we will always be the friends forever. Till the end of our life, we will be friends. So students, have you all understood the meaning of the poem Friends Forever? So students, now repeat the poem along with me. बच्चों, अब हमारी पोएम एक्सप्लेनेशन जो है वो आपको समझ आया होगा. अब आपको मेरे साथ ही साथ पोएम रिपीट करनी है. So students, let us start singing the poem. So students, you all also sing loudly while watching to the video. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other gold. Now students, again repeat. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other gold. A circle is round, it has no end. That's how long I will be your friend. A circle is round, it has no end. That's how long I will be your friend. Across the land, across the sea, friends forever will always be. Now students, have you all understood the poem? Let us learn, let us sing one more time. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other gold. A circle is round, it has no end. That's how long I will be your friend. Across the land, across the sea, friends forever will always be. So students, now let us see the next. Now students, let us see the question number A. Find and write the rhyming words. Now what are the rhyming words? I have underlined and written the answer. What are the rhyming words? The rhyming words are that words which the sound of the words are similar. That words are called as rhyming words. So you can see I have written, you can see in the first paragraph, the first rhyming word is OLD, old. Old. Now how will you search the rhyming words? You can see the rhyming words in the poem in the first paragraph, OLD, old. In the second line, I have underlined OLD, old. You also underline with the pencil, students, in your textbook. OLD, old, GOLD, gold. Old, gold are the rhyming words. You can see the similar, sound similar, and the last ending words are also same. OLD, old, GOLD, gold. Old, gold. So students, underline OLD, old, GOLD, gold, and write the answer in the given space in the rhyming words GOLD, gold. Now the second one is C, SEAC. Now how will you search the answer? Where is C written in the poem? SEAC. Yes, C is written in the third paragraph, second line. SEAC. I have underlined with the black color pen. You can see SEAC. Now the rhyming word of C is in the last line, B. BEB. CB. So the answer is BEB. CB. So write the answer BEB in the second blank in your textbook. Third one, end. END, end. Now what is the rhyming word of the end, students? In the second paragraph you can see the word end. In the second line it is written END, end. So students, end, END, end. Now in the second paragraph, fourth line, you will see the rhyming word friend. Friend, friend, and friend. So these are the pairs of the rhyming words: old gold and friend, CB. These are the three rhyming words. So you have to search the word in the poem, the rhyming words. You will get in the poem the same sounding words are known as the rhyming words. Now let us see the question number B. How many friends do you have? Tell 5-6 sentences about your friend. Now students, this question is your homework. You have to write in your English notebook how many friends do you have. So you will write the names of your friends that you are having, and you will write 5-6 sentence about your friend. बच्चों, जो बी क्वेश्चन है उसमें लिखा है हाउ मैनी फ्रेंड्स डू यू हैव, आपके पास कितने फ्रेंड्स है. टेल 5-6 सेंटेंस अबाउट योर फ्रेंड. आपको 5-6 लाइन आपके फ्रेंड्स के बारे में लिखना है कॉम्पोजिशन की तरह. तो आप लिखोगे आपके नोटबुक में होमवर्क. सो हाउ विल यू राइट? आई एम गिविंग यू द आइडिया. बच्चों, आप कैसे लिखोगे? पहले सेंटेंस में आप लिखोगे माई फ्रेंड्स नेम इज़, मेरे फ्रेंड का नाम ये है. शी इज़ अ गर्ल, अगर वो गर्ल है तो गर्ल लिखोगे, और बॉय है तो लिखोगे ही इज़ अ बॉय. ही इज़ 8 years old, अगर 8 है तो 8, 7 है तो 7. So students, now you can write I and my friends are the best friends. We both are best friends. We are school friends. We play together, we study together, and we have fun together. We are school friends, but we are also very close friends. We share our things with each other. I and my friend enjoy playing. I and my friends are best friends forever. So in this way you will complete the my friends 5 to 6 lines you will write in your notebook. Now the dictation words is given. Look and say. Here are the words from the poem. Let us repeat the words and study it. The first word is friends. Friends, friends. Second word is silver. Silver, silver. Third word is land. Land, land. Fourth word is forever. Forever, forever. Fifth word is gold. Gold, gold. Sixth word is circle. Circle, circle. The next word is round. Round, round. And the last word is across. Across, across. So students, here we complete our poem 2.6 Friends Forever. I hope so you have understood the poem very well. So students, in your English notebook you will write the dictation words, rhyming words, and you will write the question number B or 5-6 sentence about your friend in your English notebook. I will help you. I will give you the notes in the group so you can copy the same. I hope so students the poem was understood and you will learn the poem, you will practice the poem at your home. by heart the poem at the home. Thank you students for watching today's online lecture. Stay connected, stay safe at your home and be connected for your next English online lecture. Thanks. Thank you students once again.